All right, today we got a fun one. We're shooting Toyota 070, which is a 3-stage Pearl. We are putting a new fender and bumper on it. Anytime you put a fender on, you're always going to want to blend the door. There's really no way around it. As for the hood, sometimes you can get away without blending it. It's usually harder on white colors, but I'm going to see what I could do here. The first thing we're going to want to get done is our spray out card. This way we can see where our color is at and then determine if we're going to need to prep that hood or not. So first things first, let's get the spray out card done. Oh, and I'm going to show you guys a cool trick here. When you're shooting a spray out card, which you should do for every car, but specifically for pearls, when you're shooting a spray out card, first thing you want to do is obviously get your base coat down, and then after that you're going to start putting your pearl. A trick I like to do is, so say this is our spray out card we're shooting, right? After I have this all white, what I'll do is I'll cover half the card, and then I'll shoot pearl on just the bottom half of the card. So now I have pearl on, I have base on the whole thing. I have pearl, one coat of pearl on the bottom half of the card, or the top half, whichever way I do it. And after that, then I'll go and I'll pearl the entire card. So now effectively you have one half of the card that has one coat of pearl, and you have another half of the card that has 2 coats of pearl. And then what I'll do is I'll give it another coat of pearl. So I have one half of the card has 2 coats, one half of the card has 3 coats. Now, once I put that spray out card up to my panel, I see where I'm at. Do I need 2 coats? Do I need 3 coats? Do I need 4 coats? Do I need 1 coat? It basically gives me a good comparison to see exactly what extra coats of pearl do to the color. So with that said, let's get the spray out card done. I'll bring you guys in the booth. So hopefully now you can see that bottom half has 1 coat of pearl and that top half has none. We'll let that dry, and then we'll come in and we'll shoot a second and a third coat over the entire card and then clear it, and then we'll put it up on the card and see where we're at. All right, so we're in the booth. We have our spray out card. You see this is Mark II, this is Mark III. That's got 2 coats of pearl, this has got 3. I'm gonna try to see if I can get this on camera for you guys. So if you look, the third coat of pearl, what it did was darken the flop or the side tone. You can see how much darker it is, the bottom half of the card from this angle, than the top half of the card. And that's what we want. So 3's got the flop that we want. And believe it or not, that extra coat of pearl lightened the face of the color, which is also what we wanted. Now I know from this angle it might not look like it's a match, but I mean the camera just, it's not gonna pick it up. But 2 on the face, when you look at it straight on, is too dark. Whereas 3 is kind of finer and lighter, which is what we want. And then, like I said before, the side tone, you can see 2, that side tone is way too white, way too white. This has got that yellow side tone that we're looking for. All right, so we got our color. Now we're gonna get suited up, mix our sealer, mix our Bulldog, because we got a bumper we gotta spray. We'll lay the Bulldog down, lay the sealer down, and then we'll start laying the base. All right, so we just put our sealer down. I'm gonna take you guys in the booth now. I'm not gonna be able to talk in there because you're not gonna be able to hear me. What I'm gonna focus on is, at least for the video, is really the blend on the door, because I want you guys to see how to blend a pearl, because it's different than blending a regular color. All right, so let's get in there. The first coat, what I'm gonna do on that door, I put a little sealer on the door also. I always do that. Whatever panels I'm blending, I'll also put whatever sealer I'm putting on the new panels, I'll put them on the panels to be blended as well, just to make sure I get even coverage on the new panel and the old panel. That ensures that the color is gonna match. So the first coat is gonna be wet. I'm going to essentially just try to cover that sealer, and I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. You'll see. Now what I did on that third coat was I thinned out my color by 10% with a clear additive, and you saw I blended it out a little bit further. Now for the fourth coat, I thinned out or weakened my base by about another 10%, and I added just a drop of pearl in it, and that's going to help prevent any of this white base from not being covered by my pearl. Because a lot of times when you paint the pearl, if you shoot your white out too far, now you got to bring your pearl out too far, and if you don't bring your pearl out far enough, you're going to see these little white dots all over the place, and that's essentially your white base with no pearl because you threw the white base too far. So this is going to have a little pearl in it, and it's reduced by another 10%, so it's even weaker, which means I could throw this out real far and I don't have to worry about anything. So here we go. Alright, so this is our first coat of pearl. Pretty much I'm going to bring this out as far as I brought the color out in these three coats like we said. What I'll do is I'll throw 2 heavy medium coats on, and then on the third coat I'm going to reduce this by about 15% with just a clear additive. And I'll pretty much bring the pearl almost to the end of the door. So here we go, first coat. Alright, this is our third and final coat. I thinned this out by 10%, and I lowered the pressure on my gun. And you're going to see I'm just going to fan it out real far now just to make sure if we do have any of that base white that made it out a little further than I would have liked, we'll get it covered right now. Okay, so that's it for our base, that's it for our pearl. Now you guys see how I blend the pearl, how I prefer to blend the pearl, because there's way more than one ways to do it. I'm gonna mix up some clear, and then I'll try to set you guys up in the booth so you can at least see me clear that door, and then once everything's all cleared, I'll show you guys the finished product. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Maybe you learned something. Hopefully I entertained you a little bit. Hope you guys have a good day. If you did enjoy the video, if you could like it, comment it, subscribe, maybe share it. I got a lot of cool things coming to make these videos even better. So if you enjoyed this one, wait till you see what's coming. Have a good one.
One's hell, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up